Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss only the exercise questions of the chapter linear equation. So we'll start with exercise F. That was the only exercise where majority of the questions cannot be done by trial and error. You need to work out certain concepts and formula that we learn for the quadratic equation like discriminants, when are the roots equal, when the roots coincidence and everything else. So we'll start with exercise F, question number 1. Roots of the equation are equal, then what will be the value of m? If the roots are equal, that means the discriminant is 0. So b square minus 4ac is 0. So 64 equal minus 8m cube. So m cube is minus 8. So m is minus 2. M will be minus 2. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2. In this case, see 0 are there in the maximum option. That means just a quick guesswork that I think 0 is an answer because it is already given in 3 options, right? So let's have a something that is written in smaller ones. Say let's try for 1 or 3 or minus 3. If 1 satisfies, then maybe A and B are there. Okay. So if I put 1 here, 2 plus 3, 5. 3 square is 9 into 2 plus 1. 32 minus 18 plus 1 equals 0. So no, it's incorrect. So 1 does not satisfy, both the options are done. Agree? Let's see if 3 satisfies. 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 3, 9. Minus 3 square 9. 2 to the power 3 plus 1. This is 512. And this is 9 into 8, 72 plus 1. This is also incorrect. So again, this is wrong. So definitely option D is the correct answer. Agree? Just for a trial and error, if you still want to, it is minus 3. So minus 6 plus 3 minus 3 minus 9 into 2 power minus 3 plus 1. 1 by 8 minus 9 by 8 plus 1. 8 LCM. Yes, it is D. In exam, usually we put the easier values to check, and if they satisfy, that is your answer. Like in our case, A, B, C both got discarded. So automatically D. So in our exam, we won't check for D. That's the answer straight away. Online, is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 3. Now this is a new one. Suppose I give the name x. Now what is my x if you see the pattern? 4 plus 1 upon, again 4 plus 1 upon, again 4 plus 1 upon, and that goes on till infinity. So infinite times I have 4 plus 1 upon. That means if I just remove a drop of water from the ocean or a bucket of water, it doesn't matter. So from here, if I remove one 4 plus, it won't matter. So let's remove this 4 plus. And from here, if we see, it's the same trend continuing. 4 plus 1 upon, 4 plus 1 upon. So from infinity, if I remove one 4 plus trend, it won't matter. So this pink color, the shaded one, is again an x. So from here, we have x equal 4 plus 1 upon x. Agreed? So 1 4 plus gets removed. We are naming x equal the trend. That is 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by. So from the second line, the denominator, again the same trend continues. And since it's still infinity, so we can name it again x. So now if I take LCM, so x square equal minus 4x minus 1, use the formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2. 4 plus minus 16 plus 4 upon 2. So 4 plus minus root 20. Root 20 is 5 into 4. 4 can come outside. Yes. So automatically C is the answer. See, B could never be the answer. Why? Whenever we have a root over as an answer, it will always be 2 plus root 5 is the solution. 2 minus root 5 will automatically be the solution. If a plus root b is a solution, then a minus root b will also be a solution, conjugate. We learned it in the last class and also in our previous class. So 2 plus root 5 alone can never be the solution. So B can never be the answer. Now if I look at it in my root over, I am getting B, 5. So automatically option C is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Next, D. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, then from here, alpha plus beta will be minus of minus 4 by 2, that is 2. Alpha into beta will be minus 3 by 2. What we want to find is alpha square plus beta square. We have the formula alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So 4 plus 3, that is 7. Option B. Option B. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number
Yes,
5.
ma'am.
Question number 5. Again, question number 5, and there is one more, 10. 5 and 10 are learned. They come very commonly also, and they are very common also. Okay. What will we do? In question number 5, anyone has an answer?
Even.
If the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation is equal to sum of the reciprocal. So, sum of the roots of the equation, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to sum of the square of their reciprocal. Sum of the square of their reciprocal. This is what we have. So let's simplify this first. Alpha plus beta. Alpha square, beta square. So alpha plus beta into alpha square, beta square. This can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Yes, let's put the value. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha into beta is c by a. This is minus b by a, and this is c by e. So this is minus b c square upon a cube, b square by a square minus 2c by a. From everywhere, let's cancel 1a. Yes. So from here, if I divide every term by c, cross, just swap. So 2 equal b square upon ac plus bc, my fault, by a square. So from here, the answer is going to be 2. Pretty long, but it comes, the same sum comes as it is, no variation. So you can learn also. I've shown you the working also, but if you remember the answer as it is, mark it.
Ma'am, can you scroll up? Thank you, ma'am.
Depending upon what I want, I first cancelled a from the denominator, and then I divided everything by c, looking at what I want in my proof, in my find. Done? Online, is it done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. See, there will certain questions which are extremely long. I will not even show the word. Just learn it. In the entire syllabus, you will get max 8 to 7 questions, maximum answer. That is also to an upper limit. So this one, it's okay, the working was manageable. Later on there will be certain questions that working is 1 page long. So for those I can send you the photo if you want, but I'll straight away ask you to look. Question number 6. Question number 6. Again we have equal root. So if we have equal root, the discriminant will be 0. So b square minus 4a into c is 0. So p square plus 8p plus 16 minus 8p minus 20. So p square equal 4. P is plus minus 2. P is plus minus 2. Done?
Yes.
Question number 7, we have done it way too many number of times. So 7 number, last class also we did, and I said that the question was something wrong. So this was the question that was supposed to be there, which it wasn't. So what would be the answer? Discriminant, no, minus 4ac. The real means we can have one also with solution, we can have two solutions also. Greater than equal to 0. 4p square minus 4p plus 1 minus 4p square greater than equal to 0. They get cancelled. 1 more than equal 4p. 1 by 4 more than equal to p. So we should not have the mouth opening near p, right? So this is the answer. It's basically written here, p lesser than equal to 1 by 4. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, 8. If x equal m is one of the solutions of this equation, then the possible values of m are. Okay. Sum of the roots should be. Okay. We can do trial and error. Let us take 0. 0 will be an answer, I guess, because A, B, C, all of them have it. If I take 2, for example, that is 2x square plus 5x minus 2. I am taking m to be 2. And it says that m also has to be the solution. So if I have taken m equal to 2, 2 has to be a solution also. So 2 has to satisfy the equation also. So 2 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 2. 8 plus 10 minus 2. No, it can't be a solution. So 2 is incorrect. So this is wrong. Online, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
let
ma'am.
us take m to be minus 2. If I take m to be minus 2, so minus minus plus 2. Now let us check if minus 2 is a solution or not. So 2 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 2. This is 8 minus 10 plus 2. Yes, it is 0. So m equal to minus 2 is a solution, and there is only one option which contains that. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Online, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
9. P and Q are the roots of this equation. We want to find the value of PQ plus QQ. What would be the answer?
Ma'am, option B.
Perfect. P plus Q is minus 2. P into Q is 1. So P square plus Q square. P plus Q whole square minus 2PQ. 4 minus 2, 2. So PQ plus QQ. P plus Q. P square plus Q square minus PQ. So minus 2 is the answer. Minus 2 is the answer. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Anyone has any problem online?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, 10 is one which comes also in exam sometimes, and we are not doing the working. I'll send it in your group if you still want to learn. The answer is real and rational. 10. The answer is real and rational. What do we want? If L plus M plus N is 0 and these are rational, the roots of the equation. find the discriminant and put this value there. That is what we are supposed to do. Question number 11. The equation is x square minus x minus 1 equals 0. So alpha plus beta is 1. Alpha into beta is minus 1. If I want to find alpha square plus beta square, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, that is 3. Right? Now what I want to find is alpha cube minus beta cube. Why do I want to do that? Because if I take this LCM, then that is what I get, alpha cube minus beta cube. So formula, okay, for this we will need alpha minus beta also. So alpha plus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square equal 4 alpha beta. 1 plus 4 equal alpha minus beta whole square. So root 5. Alpha minus beta is root 5. Now alpha square by beta minus beta square by alpha. Alpha cube minus beta cube. Formula alpha minus beta, alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta upon alpha into beta. Alpha minus beta root 5. Alpha square plus beta square 3. Alpha beta minus 1. So answer is minus 2 root 5. Answer is minus 2 root 5. Answer is minus 2 root 5. Option D. Check it, rest of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Everybody
ma'am.
done? Should I wait for you to write?
Um,
Next. Yeah. P and Q. We did this question in the class also. This equation and this equation aren't they exactly same? Aren't they exactly same? That means my
Yes.
actual equation will be, what would be my actual equation?
X square equal to 5x minus 1.
Perfect. X square equal 5x minus 3. That is x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. And P and Q are the root because they satisfied the equation. P and Q are the roots as they satisfied the equation. Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So from here, P plus Q will be 5. P into Q will be 3. What do we want? The equation having roots as this. So for that, we will need sum of the root. P by Q plus Q by P. LCM. P square plus Q square. This is P plus Q whole square minus 2PQ upon PQ. So 5 square minus 2 into 3 by 3. 25 minus 6, 19 by 3. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And product of roots will be, since they are reciprocal of each other, it will be 1. So my equation x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the root equals 0. Let us take LCM 3. 3x square minus 19x plus 3 equals 0. So that is option C. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 13. One root is reciprocal of the other. What was the condition? A equal to C. So in this case, what should be the value of P?
9.
Option
P should be equal to 5. Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in this exercise, guys?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Next, G. G. A solution of the quadratic equation. Trial and error. Trial and error. A solution of this quadratic equation. We have to do trial and error.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's see 1. If I put x equal to 1, a plus b minus 2c, 2a minus b minus c plus c plus a minus 2b. C itself does not get cancelled. Minus 2c minus c plus c. So we can't have 0. So x equal to 1 is not a solution. X equal 1 is not a solution. Taking x equal minus 1. So square, so it will be plus 1. Their sign will get changed. This is c plus a minus 2b. So a minus 2a plus a 0. B plus b minus 2b 0. Minus 2c, c and c 0. So yes, x equal to minus 1 is our solution. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. If the root of the equation this exceeds the other by 4, that means one is greater than the other root by 4. So the difference of the root is 4. So alpha minus beta is given to be 4. And we know that alpha plus beta will be 8. Alpha into beta will be c by a m. Yes? So from here we have an equation. Alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha minus beta whole square equal 4 alpha beta. 64 minus 16 equal 4m. 48 equal 4m. So 12 equal m. वो इसलिए done.
Yes, ma'am.
What another student suggested right now is, if we look at these two equations, we get alpha equal 6 and beta equal to. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
automatically this will be 6 into 2, 12. Easier way out. Even smaller.
हाँ, ma'am.
Is it okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, question number 3. The values of x in the equation. Answer, guys. 3. Okay, let's see. The equation 7 into x plus 2p whole square plus 5p square, and right hand side is 35xp plus 117p square. Let us first try x equal 4p. 7, 4p plus 2p, 6p. 6p. So here 7 into 6p square will be 252p square plus 5p square. So this is 257p square. Right hand side, if I put x equal to 4p, 35 into 4, 140p square plus 117p square.
Ma'am,
Again,
140p.
I'm sorry,
Nothing.
I didn't understand.
No, ma'am, I thought it was 140p, but then I noticed that.
Okay. 257p square. So they come out to be same. That means x equal to 4p is one of the solution. X equal 4p is one of the solution.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody agree?
Yes, ma'am.
What else do we have? So these two are wrong. So what we need to try, minus 3p or plus 3p, right? So let us try x equal to minus 3p now. 7. Minus 3p plus 2p. You have calculator, use that. So minus p. This will be 7p square plus 5p square. 12p square. 35 minus 3p into p plus 117p square minus 105p square plus 117p square 12p square. Yes, it comes out to be same. It comes out to be same. So x equal minus 3p is also a solution.
Yes.
Done.
Everybody done?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Yes,
doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
Question number 4. Again trial and error. Let's try for 2. 6 into 2. 2 plus 1 3. 6. 2 plus 1 3 and 2. So this is 4 and this is 9. So answer is 13. Yes, x equal to 2 satisfies. So B and C can't be the answer.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now let us try for 3. 6 into 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 1 4 and this is 3. 2 3s are 2 2s are 3 2s are 9 by 2 plus 8 can't give us 13. So this is incorrect. So automatically our answer will be D. Our answer will be D.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem, guys?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Question number 5. Again, it's a very common question, right? So, see, it should be this answer. Why? Because when I write minus p, pp gets cancelled 1 by q. Here also pp gets cancelled 1 by q. Similarly, when I'll put x equal to minus q, that gets cancelled.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 6.
B.
Ma'am, option B.
Trial and error again. If I put x minus 1, 1 minus 9 minus 8 plus 18 is 10. 6 minus 4 into minus 1 is also 10. So minus 1 is an answer. They are incorrect. Then try to put x equal minus 12. So 144. 9 into 12, 108 plus 18. 54. And here 6 minus 4 into minus 12. So 48 plus 6 is also 54. So x equal minus 12 satisfies. Done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 7. Trial and error again. Trial and error. Use trial and error, guys.
Ma'am, option A.
Let's see. X equal to 2. 2 square 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10 minus 2. So 8 plus 10 minus 1. 18 minus 2 is 16. This is 9. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So x equal to 2 is an answer. X equal to is an answer. Now let us try x equal to minus 9 by 2. So let's find what is the value of 2x square plus 5x. 2 into minus 9 by 2 square is 9 by 4. 5 into minus 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 minus 45 by 2. 36 by 2, that is minus 18. Yes? So now under root 2x square plus 5x minus 2 and under root 2x square plus 5x minus 9. This should be equal to 1 and we have already got this as 18. 18 minus 2, 18 minus 9. Again 16 minus root 9. 4 minus 3, that is 1.
Yes, ma'am.
So x equal minus 9 by 2 will be other answer. X equal minus 9 by 2 is the other answer. Option A is correct. Option A is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Can I suggest one more thing we could do rather than doing trial and error, since we have been given two routes, right now we can, I could not have done that in 7, but I can now do it in 8, I can do it in 10. See, we have been given two solutions and we are given quadratic equation, right? So we can use sum and product also. So that will even help us out while not even doing trial and error. So in this case, sum of the root will be 17 by 3 and product of the root will be 24 by 3, that is 8. So 100% this is not my answer. 100% this is not my answer. Agree? So now this is 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. If I multiply them, do I get 8? Product of the root should be 8. If I multiply option B, do I get 8?
No.
So this is incorrect.
No.
Here it is 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. If I multiply, do I get 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, if I multiply, do I get 8? In option D, if I multiply, will I get 8?
No, ma'am.
No. So that means option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
thing can be done in 10 also. Same thing. In this case, what will be sum of root? Sum of the root is minus b by a. So L plus m by L minus m. 2 2 gets cancelled. Product of the root will be m divided by L minus m. 2 goes above. 2 will go above. All of you till here, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So which out of the four option will give you product of the roots twice m by L minus m? It doesn't even have to. So out of A and C, which
Yes.
option will give you product of the root twice m by L minus m? A.
A, ma'am.
A is the correct answer. So when you have a quadratic equation, a proper quadratic equation, and you have both the roots, we can do sum and product. It reduces the workload tremendously. I waited for someone to say, but none. None of your brain clicks. Is it okay now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. For 9, it's a little tedious to do that. So it's better to do trial and error. Why? Because it's not even arranged equation wise. Answer for 9.
Yes.
Okay. If it is A, that means both the roots have to be 1. That means half should not satisfy, minus 1 should not satisfy, right? So if I take x equal to 1 here, 3, 3 plus 15 upon 6 plus 2 plus 9. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 divided by 6 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 plus 9 is 20. Right hand side 2 plus 96 by 7 plus 6. 2 plus 96 by 7 plus 6 is also 20. So x equal to 1 is a solution. So this can't be an answer, this can't be an answer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we need to check whether minus 1 satisfies or not. If minus 1 satisfies, then C is the answer. And if minus 1 does not satisfy, then A is the answer. So now if I put x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 1, will it even matter? No, because we have x square. So whether I write 1 square or I write minus 1 square, the question remains the same. So that means both 1 and minus 1 will satisfy this equation.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So which one will be the answer?
Ma'am, option C.
Option C, not A. Guys, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Till this exercise, does anyone have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Let's continue. Next exercise. Again, trial and error. The sum of two numbers is 8. Which out of the following? So A can't be the answer. Agree? And sum of their squares is 34, I'm sorry. Sum of their squares is 34. So 4 square plus 4 square, 16 plus 16 is 32. Wrong. 3 square 9 plus 25, 34. Yes. What about 2 square plus 6 square? This comes out to be 40. So this is also wrong. So option C is the correct answer.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Next, question number 2. The difference of two positive integers is 3. So this is satisfied by everyone. Yes?
Yes.
Then sum of the square is 89. What is 7 square plus 4 square? 49 plus 16 is 65. Incorrect. What will be 5 square plus 8 square?
89.
Okay, this may be our answer. Let's see. 3 square 9 plus 36.
45.
45. 2 square 4 plus 25. 29. So B is the correct answer. Any doubts?
Done, ma'am.
Question number 3. 5 times a
Ma'am, option A.
positive. Sorry.
Ma'am, option A.
Very good. 5 times a positive whole number is 3 less than twice the square of the number. 5 times a positive number. So if I take this, 5 into 3 is 15. Twice the square of the number. Square of the number, 3 square is 9. Twice of this is 2. That is 18. Is 3 less? So is 15 3 smaller than 18?
No.
15 plus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So option A
ma'am.
is correct. Option A is correct. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Number 4. The area of a rectangular field. Rectangular field's area is length into breadth. And its perimeter. Perimeter is twice L plus B. That is 180. So if I remove 2, L plus B will be 90. L plus B will be 90. So I want the product to be 2000 and I want the sum to be 90. If I just look at the sum, these two are wrong. If I just look at the sum, A and C are incorrect. So for B, yes, the sum 50 plus 40 is 90 and the product 50 into 40 is 2000. So option B is the correct answer.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Question number 5. Two squares have side P
Ma'am,
and P
option
plus.
C.
Sorry.
Option C.
Okay. Two squares have sides P and P plus 5. That means both of them should have a difference of 5 centimeter. So that's why option A is incorrect, option B is incorrect. Because the difference between the two lengths should be 5 centimeter. Now, the sum of this, since we also have none of these, the sum of their square is 625. So, is 15 square plus 20 square 625? Is 15 square plus 20 square
Yes, ma'am.
625?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Option C is correct. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Yes.
Question number 6.
Option D.
Divide 50 into 2 parts such that the, so 50. That means sum of the terms should be 50, which all of them are satisfied. All of them are satisfied. Sum of the reciprocal is 1 by 12. If I do 1 by 12, this is 0.0833, right? So let us now see 1 by 24
option
plus
D.
1 by 26. Let me teach you how to do it in the calculator. Everyone has their calculator?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not phone, calculator.
एक सेकंड मैम.
You'll need your calculator for this.
Ma'am, option D is the answer, I guess.
Boy or dog?
Ma'am, dog.
I don't think so. Okay, we are doing 6 now. Yeah, ठीक है, dog.
Yes.
Let's see. If you do math normal plus LCM and all is correct. I'm just teaching those who don't want to go to that trouble. So your calculator is a savior. Everyone has a calculator?
Yes,
I hope
ma'am.
none of your
Yes, ma'am.
calculators have a screen में M लिखा हुआ. Does anyone have an M on their screen? Except for the number, is there any letter written on your calculator screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then let's start. Whatever I'm saying, do that thing. Press 1 divided by 24 and equal. 1 divided by 24 and equal. I don't think you'll be able to see it. So, your screen should have 0.041666.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what I want to do is I want to save this in the memory of my calculator. So, in your calculator, you should have an option M plus.
Yes, ma'am.
In your calculator, you should have an option M plus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Press
Yes, ma'am.
that. Don't press anything else, just press M plus. As soon as you do that, your screen should have a letter M on it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Everyone has that?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, without doing anything else, directly write 1 divided by 26 equal. 1 divided by 26 equal. What is there on your screen? What is there on your calculator screen?
0.038.
Perfect. So now what I've done is I've already calculated 1 by 24 and I've saved it in the memory. Now I've calculated 1 by 26. Now what I want is I want to add this number to my memory. So press addition, MRC and equal. How much are you getting?
0.0801.
1 2 something 8012 I guess.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it same as our answer?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
So
ma'am.
this is incorrect. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll need response. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now if you clean your calculator, you press AC, you can still see an M on your screen, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever you start using the calculator, you need to make sure that your calculator does not have any stored memory. So right now in your calculator, you should see an M here.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do we remove
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Press MRC twice and press AC. press MRC twice and press AC. Then
वो ऑटोमेटिक क्लियर नहीं होता मैम?
नहीं, automatic clear नहीं.
Okay.
You need to tell the calculator earlier that you have told it that save this. Now you are, until unless you tell it that clear it, it won't clear. So clear that, because you are starting a new sum. I don't want that memory here. So if I press MRC twice and then AC, is your calculator now free of the letter M?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
only Casio calculators are like this.
Your other calculator which has the green button, I guess instead of twice you press 1 or something like that. Once you work on your calculator, you get to know.
Ma'am, in that if we do AC itself, the memory is gone.
Okay, fine then, perfect. Then you should be very careful, because in case you press it in the middle of the sum, entire memory gets lost. So
Yes.
in the case if we do that, it doesn't happen. So by mistake, even if I press AC, I don't need to start the sum again.
Yes.
So every calculator company is a little varied. So once you learn with it, I'm using Kesho, so I'm saying these work. So if it's a little different, let me know. Now everybody, let's try for 1 by 20 now. The option D. 1 by 20. So press 1 divided by 20 equal M plus 1 divided by 30 equal plus MRC equal.
Zero point zero eight three three three.
It matches.
Yes, ma'am.
So option
Yes.
D is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Right now I explained you, so it took so much of time, but when you are doing it in your calculator and once you get the hang of it, it becomes pretty simple. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Question number 7. There are two consecutive numbers. Consecutive means 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, like our option. 15, 16 are consecutive, 17, 18 are consecutive, 13, 14 are consecutive. So the first criteria is satisfied by all the options. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us try to use the calculator. What is 1 upon 240?
0.004.
4166. That means I want the difference to be that. I want the difference to be that. Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's try. Subtract 1 by 15 minus 1 by 16. Same way. 1 divided by 15 equal M plus. Okay, wait. In this, calculate first 1 by 16. Now we will subtract that. Press equal to, then M plus. Then 1 divided by 15 equal minus MRC equal.
Zero point zero six two five.
I'm sorry?
Ma'am, 0.0625.
No, you're wrong then. You've done wrong.
0.0041.
0.00416.
Yes, it matches, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Who did not get the answer? Can we
Um,
work it
me.
together? No?
Yes.
Okay. Try. Your calculator is clean?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 divided by 16 equal. What do you see?
0.0624.
Press M plus. Now, without doing anything else, 1 divided by 15 equal. What do you see?
0.066.
Press minus MRC. As soon as you press MRC, in your screen, you should have the memory written 0.0625.
Yes, ma'am.
And now press equal.
Okay, 0.004.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Option A is the correct one. Question number 8.
Ma'am, answer B, boy.
Perfect. Good one. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 20 centimeter. So this is base and this is perpendicular. So we already know that perpendicular square plus base square should be 20 square 400. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes, ma'am.
difference between the other two sides is 4. But that is satisfied by everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, if my hypotenuse is 20, my side cannot cross hypotenuse. Neither can it be equal. So option C can never be the answer. My hypotenuse is the longest side. So any side which is more than 20 or equal to 20 is not possible. So now for option A and B, check. Does 11 square plus 15 square give you 400?
No, ma'am.
No. It gives us 346. This is wrong. What is 12 square 144 plus 16 square 256 give you?
420 square.
I'm sorry?
420 square.
No.
Like that.
420 square. So B is the correct answer.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
9. The sum of two number is 45. All of them, I guess. All the options have the sum 45.
Yes, ma'am.
And the mean proportional. What was mean proportional? Root over AB. That should be 18. So 15 into 30 root over. Is it 18?
No, ma'am.
No. 32 into 13 root over. Is it 18?
No, ma'am.
Then 36 into 9 root over. Is it 18?
Yes, ma'am.
36 into 9 root over. Is it 18, guys? Rest of you.
Yes, ma'am.
So C is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, number 10. The sides of an equilateral triangle. What is an equilateral triangle?
All sides are
All the three sides are equal. So when they have given the option to be 17, that means all the three sides are 17, 17, 17. Or the sides of an equilateral triangle are shortened by 12, 13 and 14. So 17 and 12, 5. 17 minus 13 is 4. 17 minus 14 is 3. So these are the three sides that are now left. Earlier they were all 17, 17, 17. So 17 minus 12, 5. 17 minus 13, 4. 17 minus 14 is 3. So I've got 5, 4 and 3. Will it form an right angle triangle? When does a triangle is known as right angle? If it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. So can I say the largest side square is sum of the squares of the other two?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 17 is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
11. A distributor of apple juice has 5,000 bottles in the store that it wishes to distribute in a month. From experience, it is known that the demand is given by this. The price per bottle that will result zero inventory. That means all the 5,000 bottles should be demanded, should be sold. So which value of P when put in the equation D will give you 5,000? That is what you need to find. Which value out of the M will give you the value D 5,000? Let's try and put 3 first. Minus 2000 P square, that is 3 square 9, plus 2000 into 3 plus 17,000. Try. Minus 18,000 plus 6,000 plus 17,000.
Yes, Varsha.
Do we get 5,000?
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
3 is the correct answer then. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, question number 12. The sum of two irrational number. If I want to add two irrational number, then they have to be like terms. I can never add root 2 and root 3. Impossible. I can never add root 2 and root 5. No. I can add root 2 and root 2. I can add root 3, root 3. I can add root 5, root 5. I have to have like term. They should have the same root over. So A and B can't even be the answer because I can neither subtract them nor can I add them. Now for option C, the sum of them, what is 2 plus 5? 7. So the sum is 7 root 2. Yes. Multiplied by the larger one. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 7 into 5 is 35. So answer is 70. Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And their difference. What is the difference between them? 3 root 2. If I multiply this by the smaller one, root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 and 3. Answer is 12. Yes. So option C is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubts till this exercise edge?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. Let's try. In this, I need to tell you two things before starting this exercise. Before starting this exercise, I want to say two things. First, if I have an equation, x square plus 2x minus 3. So, x equal to 1 is a solution. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Because if I
Yes, ma'am.
satisfy x equal to 1, I get 0. So, yes. So rather than saying that x equal to 1 is a solution, I can also say that x minus 1 is a factor or divisor. Is a factor or divisor. Again, if I have an equation 2x square plus 2x minus 16 equals 0. If I want to check whether x minus 2 is a factor, if I want to check this, so what I'll do is x minus 2 equals 0. That means x equal to 2.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
I put here x equal to 2 and the answer is 0, then yes, it is a factor. Otherwise, no, it is not a factor or a divisor. So if I put x equal to 2 here, 2 into 4 plus 2 into 2 minus 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 4 minus 16. 12 minus 16, that is minus 4. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So no, it is not a factor. It can't be a factor. Yes? And rather, what will be this minus 4? This is the remainder that you are about to get. If I would have divided this by x minus 2, if I would have got 0 as the answer, then I would have said that yes, it is a factor or a divisor. But if I am getting minus 4 like in our case, that means the remainder will be minus 4. So if it comes out to be 0, then it is a factor or a divisor. Otherwise, whatever number I get, that is the remainder. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me what will be the general form of a cubic equation? I'll have a cube term, then a square term, linear term, and a constant term. But A can't be 0. A can't be 0, otherwise there will be no cubic term. How many maximum roots can it have?
3.
3. Let they be alpha, beta, gamma. You can use any other letter P, Q, R also. Alpha, beta, gamma. So now from here we need to remember for 1 or 2 sum only. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Sum of the root. Taking 1 at a time. This will be second by first minus b by a. Then alpha into beta, beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. That is sum of root, sum of product of roots. Taking 2 at a time. So this was minus, now it will be plus third by first, plus c by a. And last, alpha, beta, gamma, product of 3 roots. Again minus d upon a, minus b by a. Now when will this help us? See, in this quadratic now, we could have done trial and error. So if it would have been like one of the sum we had that x equal to 1 was satisfying, then we had two options, either 1 comma 1 is your answer or 1 comma minus 1 is the answer. So I checked for minus 1. That did not that satisfied. So automatically 1 minus 1 is the answer. If minus 1 would not have satisfied, then 1 comma 1 would have been the answer. Now in cubic equation there will be a problem. There are 3 roots. Say 1 also satisfies, minus 1 also satisfies, and nothing else satisfies. Okay, how will you tell me 1 minus 1 is a root or 1 minus 1 minus 1 is a root? Which one will be taken twice? Will be lost. In quadratic it is pretty easy to do trial and error. Even in cubic we'll do trial and error, but we'll be stuck when the roots are same. If the roots are 1 1 1, fine, that means minus 1 minus 2 2, nothing should satisfy, fine. If the roots are minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, nothing should satisfy, fine. But one is of the root is 1 and the others are minus 1 minus 1. How will I ever know which number to be repeated? That will be a problem. So we'll use this product of the root. If product of the root is minus d by e, if I want my product to be positive, right, I have to take minus 1 2 times. And if I want my product of the root to be negative, I'll take minus 1 only 1 time. So this product of the root specially will help us in the scenario where we are stuck with which root should be repeated. Am I clear to the online student?
Yes.
I'll tell you which particular question am I talking about. 6. Question 6. If here I put x equal to 1, it satisfies. So 1 is a root. If I take x equal to minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 also satisfies. So 1 and minus 1 are both satisfied. And if you look at all the options, see D is wrong and C is wrong. That I know. Because 1 and minus 1 should be both present. Now I'm stuck whether I should have 1 2 times or whether I should have minus 1 2 times. Do you understand my problem right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now
Yes, ma'am.
product of root alpha beta gamma was minus d by a. My d is minus 1, my a is 1. That means the product should be 1. The product
Yes.
should
Yes,
be
ma'am.
1. So now
ma'am.
a and b, which one will give you the product of the roots 1?
Optional.
Option A.
Option.
So option A is the correct answer. Did you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Rest
Yes, ma'am.
everything can be done by trial and error. Only this particular question is open. Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, rest is trial and error. Question number 1. Which one is the answer?
B, option B.
Normal trial and error, no issue with that. Question number 2.
C,
B, ma'am.
Question number 2.
B.
Again
option
B.
C.
Again B. 1 satisfies, minus 1 also satisfies. 1 satisfies 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2. Yes. So 1 has to be there. Then minus 1 also satisfies. Minus 1 cube minus minus plus 1 minus 2. Yes. So option B is the correct answer. Both 1 and minus 1 satisfy. You can also check for minus 2, it will satisfy. Any doubts till here?
No, ma'am.
Now in 3, x is a factor. That means x equal to 0 should be a solution.
Yes, ma'am.
If x minus 4 is a factor, then x equal to 4 should be a solution. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's see, x equal to 0 only satisfies B. X equals 0 only satisfies B. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So B is the option. B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody done?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 4. Question number 4. Again trial and error. Try 1, 2, 5 by 3. Here try 1, minus 1, minus 5 by 3. Here also you can use product of roots.
Ma'am, option D, dog.
We can use product of the roots very easily. Here the product of the root will come out to be 5 by 3. Product of the root will come out to be 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3. So minus 1, 1, 5 by 3. Option B is the correct answer. Don't even do trial and error. Use sum of the root, product of the root in the cubic equation. So here if I find out the root, if I use product of the root, I should have 5 by 3. So only option B gives you 5 by 3. No need to do even trial and error. Did you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
In question number 5, what will be product of the root? In question number 5, what will be product of the root?
27.
27.
27. Now you see which one when multiplied will give you 27. It gives you both B and C, I guess. Both B and C gives
Yes,
you
ma'am.
27 if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you do trial and error. I'll do trial and error for only one. Only one. 1 plus 7 minus 21 minus 27. Is it 0? Does 1 satisfy?
No, ma'am.
No. So C is incorrect. So B is the correct answer. It becomes way too easier when we use sum of the roots and product of the roots. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 7. Again, trial and error. What should be product of the root? There is no constant term. So the product should be 0.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means they are incorrect. Now go any trial and error. Only one number you can do trial and error. Say 5. 125 plus 25 minus 100. Does 5 satisfy?
No, ma'am.
No. This is also wrong. So D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 8. What will be product of the roots?
4.
4. Which one will when multiplied will give you 4? No. No. C and D? Hana.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll only do trial and error for -1, any one number. Let's try -1. -1, this, -9, -1. Will it give me 0?
No, ma'am.
Definitely no. So option D is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Doesn't it reduces the time so much? Now 9 is a good question. 9 is a good question. See, in your options, you are not given the value of x. You are given the value of 2x plus 3. So this increases our workload. This will increase our workload. What will happen here in this case? Let us take 2x plus 3. First option is 4. So from here x will be 1 by 2. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If I take 2x plus 3 equal -1, x is -2. If I take 2x plus 3 equal to x is -1 by 2. That means for option A, my roots are half, -2 and -half. Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And in this case, what is my product of the root? 2 by 4, that is half.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the multiplication half? Is the multiplication half?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let's do only one trial and error. Let's try, maybe B and C also has the product same. So we'll only do one trial and error. Let's check for -2. 4x cube -8 -2 square is +4. -32 plus 32 plus 2 minus 2. Is it 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So option A is correct. First, from 2x plus 3, we will first find the values of x. We'll go for product of the root, right? We'll go for product of the root, and then we will find out whether if any one of the satisfy, that means it's correct. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, number 10 is trial and error straight. Trial and error. If I put 1 by 2, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 plus 2. Option A itself gives me 0. Lucky us. Option A itself gives us 0. So that means A is a correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
So A is the answer for us. Is it understood to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Does
ma'am.
Ma'am, I
anyone
have
have?
doubt in.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am, I have doubt in fourth one.
4. In 4, if I find product of the root, it will be minus of minus 5 by 3, that is plus 5 by 3. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here the roots are 1, minus 5 by 3. Only this one gives us product of the roots to be 5 by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
So option D is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, so that's it for this particular chapter.